Alright, let's get after it. I adjusted some audio settings as recommended, so hopefully this is better. If it's not, let me know. I need to... How's that wood to fix? I need to put some stuff in here, and then make a bow. Let's do this, and then this. Alright, we don't talk about that. Make a bow. Put it there. Let's just move everything down. Make a bow. Get some arrows. And honestly, if I can get infinite on it right now. Infinite. No, cool. Okay. Let's just go to bed. Let's go to bed. Get it daytime. Get it to daytime. And then... is going on out here? Riding a horse? No. Yeah. Sounds like it was riding a zombie horse. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So I think we're going to go down and get after that. Let me do this. Cool. Stand by. Get some iron. That's cool. That's what I want to do. I don't know why I'm carrying this around at all. Okay. Again. I want that and there, that and there, that and there. That's fine. I don't need string anymore. I'm about to get cobblestone. I just don't want that. Trash. Yeah, we can get rid of that. Wood over here. Don't really need that right now. Cool. I'm gonna make another iron pickaxe. Because I'm gonna be digging out a lot. I don't really want to use my diamond one as of yet. Because I want it to... Actually, let me do this. Let me give effect. So it'll be bright. Then I'm gonna get the TP going. I don't like whatever that sound is. To my mind. Good thing is, I only have to put it in. What the? TP. 1, 2, 1. Negative 5, 1. 6, 9, 1, 4. What? No. Okay. Alright. Well. Something's up. I'm about to find out about this. Alright. So I'm gonna die. But that's okay. I don't know where I am. All my stuff is on me. What do we do? It's fine. We're gonna open it and see how quickly I can TP. I don't want to die here. Where is it? I thought this was the... So you get one number off and then you're in the wall somewhere. That's the issue. regardless. Let's just try this. Yeah. Alright. That's fine. Everything's fine. We're going to TP here, but let's put it... What's that little thing they were trying to do? Yeah. Cool. Is that going to be any different? Okay. Is it negative? Let's try again. We're learning, we're learning, we're learning. I guess I could go back and find out too. Oh, it's negative. Okay. It's on me for not putting that. Oh, it's a little rescue mission here. I'm just gonna be in a wall, so it's just gonna be gone. There's nothing there. Alright, cool. We lost all that. Cool. Cool. Okay. That's on me. Let's get our stuff together. I'm not really worried about armor, honestly. I guess I could make diamond armor, and then once I get mending, as long as I don't teleport to the wrong spots again. How many is that? How many is that? I really don't want to. No. Okay, that's the plan. Put that in there. Let's make... How many of this can I make? Just do that and that. I need wood. Okay. Let's get... Just need... Right, like... That and that. And then... I have cobblestone. Well, let me make this first. Cool. Well, that was kind of a setback. That's fine. Okay, and I need food. All the food I just died with. It's fine, it's fine. Part of the game. I guess I could have just put this on too. Why not, right? This. Sure. And then gives me something. I got an axe. Just made a bow too. Okay. So that should... Where'd my pickaxe go? So that should be... all I'll need for now. I just need food. We are down bad, brother. Okay. I had something food, didn't I? I need to get there. What's this one, please? I need to... Nope. Nope. What am I doing? I want to... all those things. Alright. Well, I could use that to eat. And I'm gonna need that iron now. And all of that. Cool. Alright. Goal now is to clear this out. Enough. I need to make a... I need a what's it called as well. Let me just get iron. Just get this that much faster. It's not. Okay. Dang, I can't believe that. That sucks. Okay. I'm gonna work as much as I can on getting a spawner going, because then I can get some levels. So right now, I'm just gonna be grinding this out. One second, I'm trying to. Okay. That sucks. Here we are. I can't really think of anything that was too crazy that I lost. I'm glad I put the diamond pickaxe up, and I put the diamonds away. Lessons learned. I'm just gonna clear this out enough, I believe, and I need to go back and get wood. I need to make a bucket. Oh, I need a shield too. I definitely need a shield. Shield, bucket, some water, and we should be good. Wish I would have thought quick enough to TP away, but what the? Isn't it dark? Okay, cool. Just be cool. Just be cool for like 1 second. Just 1 second. How do I clear these out? Those ones that don't work. Can I delete? So it's not there anymore. The wrong one. Okay. So will it still pop up? It did. That's okay. That's okay. Alright. What did I say? Shield. Shield, 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 shield for sure. A bucket. I only have 1 iron. Bucket. Cool. Water. Should be good. I don't know why. Alright. We'll get wood and we'll go back. I'll torch it up. So, I mean, not wood, I'll get water. Torch it up so it doesn't happen. Alright. Journey. Journey, guys. Journey together. Here we go. Alright. I have to take them out. That's fine. Hey, back it up. I need them to shoot each other. Hey, shoot him. Let's see what this looks like once I'm done. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, we're good. Nothing. Maybe over here. Alright, cool. Should be good now. Still have rock flush. Alright. What I'll need to do as well, we can do out. I can make the infinite water over there later. Okay. Might take a while, but we're here. I don't remember how many blocks out, but I'll have to go down a bunch too. But okay, yeah, today is eventful. Not the events I would like. Still eventful. I think it's 7 or 8 blocks I gotta go down, which that's fine. I wonder if I could use iron, but... Might use the diamond one, honestly. Just to get this stuff done. Okay. Let's get the, okay. It's gonna take more than one day to do this, but that's alright. Today's just the lose everything day. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool. Should be good after we go down here. So I just need to go down far enough. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Sorry, I think that's what we want. Let me get the out one. Let me check this real quick. So what we need is a flow of water that one more. Unless we go this way, right? Let's see. No, either way we have to add one. Okay, cool. That's fine. Got one more. Yeah, that's what we're playing to anyway. Cool. Alright. And then, where's that deep sleep? The good thing is I love the look of deep sleep. So that will... I don't want to block off the light too much, but you get the picture. Alright. Now we just gotta go down. Dig down. Alright. Today was good for me to finally talk through the day and not do all this. Gotta go to the park, with the family, go out to eat, have a little church event, helping out, giving out some, get it, but sure. Cool. Yeah, church event, hanging out with friends. It's a good time. We'll have a little break, a little chill out after this, and keep it pushing. I think it might be a chill day. I can't remember what we have going on, so I'm gonna fill this in now. It might need to be undone later, but here the sound it makes. It's pretty good. Yeah, I definitely have some viewing windows, so maybe it'll be right there. Yeah, we'll do it right there. Okay. Just gotta be close enough for it to spawn. So, yeah, I think it's gonna be a pretty chill day today. This Minecraft video up, hang out with the family, get a little workout in. Today's a good day. I don't know if people don't make it this far into the video, but if you do, let me know. I want to know. Talk in the chat. Don't know how far down I need to go, but I believe it's a good amount. A good amount for them to just be able to spawn, fall into the water, go down the trend. How much? 21 minutes in. Maybe able to finish this today. I don't know. Keeping track of winning anything, of what I'm winning on Whatnot app. It's not looking good for you, boy. Haven't really got much, but grateful for what I got. Don't really expect anything, so waiting on 2 packs to come in soon. Should be some English packs. I do prefer English packs. English cards in general over, just because, I don't know, more nostalgic. That's what I grew up collecting, so I do get a lot of Japanese packs with the giveaways because they're cheaper, but not against it. But, you know, preference. There's always be like faces in that. I just saw that. Yeah, preference. So it's been good. I did get a Lucario. Got Lucario out of the Mega Brave Japanese pack. I'm trying to get I have my favorite Pokemon. I usually try and collect around three of my favorites, which is, I still can't say it. It's my favorite. I can't say it because I've never said it, but it's like Xerxes. It's the, excuse me, the rainbow deer. That one I like. Lucario, and then Suik. I should have picked easier names. I don't know, the legendary dog I like a lot. There's some other ones that are cool, but those are the ones I'm trying to get everything for without actually paying for it because I'm good. But been going good for me. I might have to go out another block. Let me see how it looks. It's not too bad, but I might go. Those are the wrong way. I didn't know you could put it the wrong way. I don't know. Let me look what it looks like. I don't know if I should go. Let me put that water down here so I can get another one when I leave. So I'm gonna need a bunch. Yeah, I don't know. And they'll spawn. Max is 4. Darker it is, so I think it should be fine. I kind of just want to finish it today, and if I need to redo it, I'll redo it. Alright, let me go back, get water. Should be all I need. Should just need water. Oh, I need to dig down too. So let's do this. This will be the last one going down. Don't have a shovel. So all spawn in. Water will push them this way. Actually, yeah, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me test it. Let me test it. Let me test it. I might need to adjust. That's good. Ooh, so then do I need to go one more that way? I do. Like I said, that wall that I filled in, it's gonna have to come down. Let's go one more that way. Yeah. Which is fine. Okay. One more that way, dig down. Should be good. I'll get some stuff to block it off. And we're cooking. And I'll finish this today and then use it tomorrow. AFK, I don't know how that's gonna work. I'll do it a little bit. I might just leave my home here and then if ever the game loads while I'm waiting to do something, we'll just wait here to do it. So maybe that'll be the goal. But I'll figure that out. We are going. I don't want to make another iron pickaxe, but I may do that just for time sake. As oh, okay, cool. Oh, perfect. Was not paying attention. I try to do too many things at the same time. Okay, this, that, this, that, this, that. I wonder how much time actually would save me if I did use an iron pickaxe. I don't have to do all that while I'm doing it. So I just need a bucket of water. A slab maybe. I think we're good. Yep. Wait. Yep. Yep. I still want to get another texture pack. I like some different breaking animations they have in other ones. So Cobble Deep Slate might just be going on the floor of our house for now. It might. You know, well, many space spiders spawn over here. One block. Cool. Source for something small. Okay. Hurry. Okay. We'll see how this goes, because I think it's going to be dark here. I want more of a... Okay, we can't do aesthetics yet. Let's just... As I continue to do aesthetics. Cool. That's good. Waiting right here. Cool. This works now. Boop. Perfect. Again, put this over here because I will forget. Then we have to go down. That's the problem. We have to go down 20 blocks or so. How am I going to get back up? Let's get the water to get back up. Or maybe I go down two different ones. Yeah, let's just go down two. So that's the hole. This is my home. Okay. So we're falling. So that's one, right? Gotcha. And then, oh, yeah, cool. 2, 3, 4. I guess I could just TP up. 5. Well, that's a bummer. I could send them up to fall. That'd be pretty cool. Soul sand them up. Boom, and they fall down. But how many is this? 4. I mean, we might just have to make do. Alright. Bedrock. Here's some. Keep that. I don't feel like dealing with all that. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's just do enough here to get out of here. Okay. So they're gonna fall down to here. Not that high of a fall. Great. Here. Did not think bedrock was gonna be this close. That's okay. We make do. I just want to get this going. Okay, they're gonna fall. Boop. They're standing there. I'm gonna put a slab there so they can't leave. I guess there's no baby skeleton, so I don't have to worry about that. Alright. I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna TP back up, so let's do this. To make sure. Yup, yup, and yup. So that's gonna be it. This is my spot right here for now. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna take that out. Take that out. Yeah, at least there's some space. And I'll put 3 slabs. 3 slabs. Everything else is filled in. Cool. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Just give me some space. I feel claustrophobic in here. I'll deal with all of the aesthetics later. Just give me some room. Alright. Now we're gonna need chest, water. That's really it. I don't really want you, so I don't care if I can't get it. I just need you out of the way. Okay. I need food. Threw away all my food on a wall. Cool. Alright, just a little more room. And I need chest, water, and we are rolling actually. 33 minutes in. Time flies when you're dying in a wall. 1, 2. Cool. Oh, I have just enough pickaxe. Okay. We are looking for cool slabs, chest, water. Slabs, chest, water. Nope. Slabs, chest, water. Huh? Slabs. Perfect. Already have chest. I need water. That's it. Slabs, chest, water. Alright, make another pickaxe real quick. Okay, water. Water run. Water run. Ooh, yeah, we gotta set that to a new spot. For now, it's gonna be right here. Make sure I type this properly this time. Alright, negative 69, 10, and 216. 2, 1, 2, 1.16. Alright. Alright. Let's do what we need to do. So, yep, that's fine. Yep, thank you. This. Yep, everything looks decent. I can't make that jump. Maybe with no hunger. I mean, with hunger. Cool. I feel like my game's a little laggy. Alright, let's just make sure this works, and I think we're gonna call it. My mouse keeps getting caught. It's fine. Alright, they're just being dramatic now. Alright, already had the water. Don't judge me. It's going good so far. I don't think I'll need another one, but let's see what the water is looking like. Let me do this. Should create a source block. Cool. Let me put. Sorry, one second. Yup. Yup. Cool. I need glass. Okay, I'm gonna go down there, fix the bottom. Let's go down here. Some damage, so that's kind of good for me. Okay, TP location. I was gonna do hoppers and all that, but I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Oh, I need this for the bottom of the spawner. Oh. 3, 2, 1, 9, -59. -6905. Almost forgot the negative again. Alright, now we go. It is negative, right? I think I'm messing this up again. Yeah, it has to be, because that's where I'm at now. Okay. Alright. Where's my dirt? I don't have any dirt. Yikes, 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 yikes. Okay, let's get... I can't let light bleed in, but I don't... Now it's the part. Yep, that's what I was worried about. Now they should go, but I need glass, I guess. It's only one. Get a door. Maybe a door. Trying to hide the light. So it's as dark as possible. No test. We are trying. Then I think, where's my line? So 1, 6, negative 69. I need straight down here, honestly. So I wonder if I can just... Oh, no way. Just go down a few more and then... One nine. Nice. It's a weird way down, but that's my work. I need to. Yeah, that's gonna take a lot of damage. Alright, well, this is it. It can be adjusted, but we're here. What a day. Alright, alright, I think that's enough for today. Holy cow. That was something. And yeah, we'll see how it continues. Alright. That's a wrap.